Hello there, this is Eric Rosenfeld again. Before we dive into using Keynote for interface prototypes, let's cover the basics of Keynote so we can make sure everyone is on the same page. If you are already familiar with the ins and outs of Keynote, fast forward through the video. Let's begin with the interface. Keynote is very simple to understand, but sometimes the simplicity can get in the way of getting some real work done. Starting with document size. This is your first step in using Keynote for something other than a presentation. By default, you can choose 4:3 or 16:9 aspect ratios. But if you choose custom slide size, you can set up a specific screen size. This is particularly useful when creating mobile prototypes. Next are the slides on the left. They are pretty self-explanatory. Hit the plus button to add a slide. Right-click on a slide to get some extra features. Command-D is a nice shortcut to duplicate a slide. Now, master slides are similar to master pages in InDesign. You can add text and images to master slides that will appear on all the slides of that type. Using master slides will ensure continuity from one slide to the next. The one trick with master slides is to pay attention to the Done button. When you're done editing, click Done, so then you can return to your normal slides. I often forget to do this. The final interface element we're going to discuss is the Format and Animate tabs. Format gives you the access to the Style, Text, and Arrange panels. The Style panel allows you to manipulate the fill and stroke. The Text panel is everything you would expect. And the Arrange panel allows you to move shapes forward and backwards in the stacking order, as well as rotation, lock, and group commands. Finally, let's take a quick second to talk about the type of graphics you can use in Keynote. You can create type and basic shapes within Keynote, but it is a lot more powerful if you copy and paste from Illustrator, Photoshop, or Adobe Experience Designer.